Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will start with essentials already in hand: device passcode and two-factor access. Open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. Once there, locate Recovery Key and tap Edit. You must be signed into iCloud and the device unlocked. This ensures Apple can validate you. Make sure you have a secure note app ready to save the new key. Begin the change now so the system prompts the steps in order and won't interrupt midway. You will now generate the new recovery key. Choose Turn On or Change Recovery Key and follow the on-screen prompts. The device will display a 28-character key. Copy it precisely, including dashes if shown, into your secure note or printed backup. Once you record it, tap Continue and enter the same key to verify. This double entry prevents transcription errors. Make sure you do not store the key in plain text email or cloud notes without encryption. Finish by confirming you saved the recovery key and then complete the final on-device verification prompts. The system will tie the new key to your Apple ID. Once done, sign out and sign back in on a secondary device if available to test it. If something goes wrong, for example, you can't verify or you lose the key, start account recovery immediately or contact Apple support. Keep proof of purchase and ID ready. This troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.